Hello, Siobhan and Patricia. This is just a quick screencast to send you so that you can see how you could record the informational message for the parents. It's just used like a webcam. You obviously would have to place yourself better in the house than I do. As you can see, the screen is very bright because of I'm sitting next to the window. Screencast is very easy to use, and you can upload it to YouTube channel that was created for ALS, and you can send it as a link to parents. You can introduce your program. You could show the book that will be sent in the post. I wonder if you can see it well. Yeah, I can see it quite well. If once you record something on screencast, you can always check the quality of it, so that you can see if you can hear you properly. You can always redo it as well. So I think it would be feasible to do a quick introduction of the program that we are sending by post on the screencast by showing the book and showing all the worksheets that you are sending and all the materials. I wonder if you can see it well. You can't actually see that very well. So again, I would say the lighting of where you are sitting is quite crucial. I wonder if you can see that a bit better. Yeah, I can see that a little bit better. So you can see that that's a letter. I think also it would be feasible to possibly read the book to the kids while flipping the pages on it. You just give it a little try. Just to see, I think the adjusting of the camera in my case would be crucial, and that there is a little bit of light issue with it that you'll have to work on. Okay, so let me know what you think and just have a bit of play around with it a little bit. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but we could give it a try. Bye!